Hi, if you're looking for informative content like this, subscribe to my channel. You won't regret it. The ketogenic diet, or keto diet for short, is a low-carbohydrate and high-fat diet that has been popularized in recent years. It involves drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat, in order to put the body into a metabolic state called ketosis. During ketosis, the body becomes more efficient at burning fat for energy. When you eat a diet high in carbs, the body produces glucose and insulin, which are used for energy. However, when carbohydrate intake is lowered, the body starts breaking down stored fat into molecules called ketones, which can be used for energy instead. There are several variations of the keto diet, including the standard ketogenic diet, the cyclical ketogenic diet, and the targeted ketogenic diet. The standard ketogenic diet involves getting 70 to 80% of daily calories from fat, 20 to 25% from protein, and 5 to 10% from carbs. This typically translates to consuming about 20 to 50 grams of carbs per day. The cyclical ketogenic diet involves following the standard ketogenic diet for a period of time, followed by a period of higher carb intake, known as a carb up or refeed. This can help with muscle building and athletic performance. The targeted ketogenic diet involves adding carbs around workouts to improve athletic performance. The keto diet is often used for weight loss, as it can help reduce appetite and increase fat burning. It may also have some benefits for certain health conditions, such as epilepsy and Alzheimer's disease. However, it is not suitable for everyone and may have some negative side effects, such as constipation, bad breath, and nutrient deficiencies. Some people may experience the keto flu when transitioning to the diet, which can include symptoms such as headache, fatigue, dizziness, and irritability. It is important to drink plenty of fluids, get enough electrolytes, and eat enough salt to help alleviate these symptoms. It is important to speak with a healthcare professional before starting the keto diet, as it may not be appropriate for everyone, especially those with underlying health conditions. It is also important to follow the diet under the guidance of a healthcare professional or registered dietitian, as it can be difficult to get all the nutrients the body needs on such a low-carbohydrate diet. In addition to weight loss and potentially improving certain health conditions, some people follow the keto diet for other reasons, such as improved mental clarity, increased energy, and better blood sugar control. However, more research is needed to confirm these potential benefits and determine the long-term effects of the diet. Overall, keto diet can be an effective weight loss tool for some people, but it is important to carefully consider the potential risks and benefits before starting it. It is always a good idea to speak with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet.